Huawei tablet and cell phones doesn't have a Google Play Store, but instead they have the Huawei App Gallery where you can download your games and apps. Just type your search and the app will give you the download link. But I'm having issue with this game. The download and installation was fine, but when we ran the game, we encountered the error.
Oh no!
There is another way for us to install this game on our Huawei device. We just need another cell phone or tablet with games installed on it. And each device should have ShareIt apps. And now let's run the ShareIt application on our Huawei device. Tap the receive option. Open the Bluetooth as required, then tap next. Then the QR code will appear. Now we will open the ShareIt application on our source device. Below the select file, tap the apps. Now you will see the installed apps below. We will select the Call of Duty because this is the game we want to copy to our Huawei tablet. Tap OK, then tap Send. Now we need to scan the QR code of our destination device, which is the Huawei device. After the scanning, the two devices will establish their connection and will start the file transfer automatically. File transfer has started. We will have to wait until the transfer is complete. Transfer is complete. Now we will install the file we transferred.
Tango down! Tango down! Get back up! Changing mag! Enemy down! Contact with enemy!
We've taken the lead.
Go back up!
Hunting cover for deployment. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Contact with enemy! Target's in sight! Enemy down! Need backup! Reloading! Cover me! Get down! Need backup! Need backup! Need backup!
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Need backup. Reload. Need backup. Target in sight. Contact with enemy. Headshot. Enemy down. Contact with enemy. Changing mag. Reloading. Cover me.